We never took it to the back. We always take it from the back to the front.
From the back to the front, yeah.
So we figured to give you guys a different perspective here. And for this view, you can see it's almost like an observation deck. It's kind of pretty.
I really wish St. Louis still had that.
Yeah, like Todd said, very few parks in the country have this anymore. I know even Six Flags Great Adventure has took their down. So I don't know who has.
See the lift chain going on Blue Street.
Yeah, so you can see a lot from this angle. So this is.
You can really see the layout for
So this Skyway bucket comes really handy toward the end of the day when you don't feel when your feet is dead tired.
Oh, child, doesn't go.
Huh?
Is there anybody else?
This could be the. This could be the thing we use for the cover.
Yeah, the cover photo. Yeah.
Oh, look at the great lake over there too. Oh. That's one of the rides I have not ridden in the 8-9 years I've been here. The Wicked Twist of the Intamin Impulse Blitz there.
It's all right. Okay, all right.
You ride closest 4-5.
Right.
It's coming back down to here by
Yeah, we'll go back up
by Corkscrew and Top Thrill Dragster, but it saves your feet. I don't know how long this is. It's a decent size.
How's the line look for about an inch? There's a little bit of a Did you get
Corkscrew's not running.
I know, but just seeing that coming out is kind of cool. We're almost there. Oh no, we'll just have broken legs.
Bill Raven?
What? We fall now, we'll only have broken legs. Hail Mary. Full of grace. You're not even Catholic. What? I'm not.
Oh, I'm in the station here by the main midway.
You survived, see?
Oh,
Great.
All right. Please, once you're heading, stop.